What's good, guys? My name's Kyler and this is BitRush Crypto. Today's video we're going to be going over some software I'm using to do my taxes. If you guys still haven't done your crypto taxes yet, it's not too late. You can get them done in just under 20 minutes with this nice piece of software I'm going to go over today. Hope you're not putting them off as long as me, but if you are, there is a solution. If that sounds good, please do stick around. Make sure you smash the thumbs up on this video. Find links in the description for all of my investment projects and social media. Click the bell to be notified on future videos. Make sure you're subbed to the channel first, and 99 cents will get you early access to most content. Without further delay, let's go. Alright guys, so if you're like me, you probably put off your crypto taxes and there's only a few days left and you're probably thinking, what am I going to do? Now, I am not a tax advisor or a lawyer or anything like that, so make sure you go out and seek legal counsel and professional tax help, as I'm just a guy on the internet. However, I can tell you what I'm doing. So number one, if you're down to the last day here, you need to file an extension, okay? If you're not going to get them done by the last day here, you have to file an extension, so that's nice and easy. You guys can do that. If you want to get them done quick, though, there's another solution. I'm going to tell you guys about that in a minute. So if you're like me and you're looking at your wallet here, maybe you even have a couple wallets and you're just like, man, I have all these different coins. I don't remember what I purchased them all at. You're going back and you're looking at your transactions and you're thinking, man, this is going to be a nightmare. I can export these things into a CSV, but how am I going to figure all this out? It's going to absolutely take forever, right? And so what we're going to do today, guys, is actually run our taxes through a nice piece of software. There's software out there that will do this for you. You upload your Ethereum address or multiple addresses. You can sync all of your different exchanges and different accounts and plug them all in. It loads up all of that information and the software does it for you, right? So it's going to be near impossible for anyone to do this, whether it be yourself, the IRS, your tax accountant. And so the definitely easiest way to do it, guys, is a piece of software. There is programs out there that are built for this. You just need to upload your address, sync up all of your accounts, and they're going to do all the hard work for you, right? Let the computer go through, let the software go through and figure out what the prices were and how many transactions you made, how much loss, how much gain, right? It's all automatically calculated. There's no way that, it's really humanly possible without spending like a month trying to go through all this stuff and figure it out, okay? So that's my 2 cents. That's what I'm doing. I'm planning on getting some software, uploading it, exporting it, nice, quick, simple, and easy. You put in your information, you pay a fee, and you download something that tells you exactly how much you made. That's about all I can tell you guys on that. Again, like, I'm not a tax professional. I can tell you what I'm doing and how I'm using it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that now. So the software I decided to use, guys, is Koinly, and it is koinly.io, because there is another one with the C, but this is the one that I'm using. And if you guys want to help out the channel, I will leave a referral link in the description. If you guys use it and sign up, I will get a little bit of bonus, so it does help out the channel. But really, I just want to promote this, guys, because this thing is fast and easy. You can see it syncs up with everything here. You just basically plug it in. It says Koinly calculates your cryptocurrency taxes and helps you reduce them for the next year. Simple and reliable. Available in 20 plus countries, so it's not just the US, guys. There's a free report previews. You guys can see everything that you need to in there before you pay and decide to download it. The other nice thing is they actually accept crypto for payment, so I went ahead and paid with some of my Ethereum, so that makes it nice and easy right there. And it has the forms, the 8949 and TurboTax. So if you guys are using TurboTax, again, you just download that form and sync it right up with these guys. I used it here, guys. I haven't completely filed mine. I'm still going through getting everything checked by a professional. However, I did use this product for my crypto tax purposes. As I mentioned, all the different rules and regulations and what the different fees and inputs and outputs, what all that needs to be classified as. I'm not a professional. I don't know that. I'm leaving it to professional, and this is as close as you're going to get. Like, most accountants and people aren't going to know what to do either. So even if you're like an accountant and you're doing someone else's crypto taxes, for the price of this, you may want to just run it through here and make sure, because if it comes back, it's going to come back and check on these guys. Not that you're not still responsible for any mistakes, but basically, if these guys can't figure it out, how are you supposed to? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's at that point now where if these are the best of the best in the industry, this is the type of thing that, most likely the IRS is going to have their own version of this, or they're going to use these guys' software themselves to double check and make sure you guys have reported everything. And, I think most people out there are in the same boat as me. We're putting it off not because we're trying to hide anything. I gladly pay any of my taxes on my gains, right? I'm happy to be making money, and I want to pay that and continue it and make sure that crypto is out here for a long time and available for people to earn on. The main thing, especially for me, is just not knowing what to do and making sure that it's correct. It's a big burden for you, and so having something like this, as I mentioned, that we can just plug it in. It reads every transaction in your wallet, automatically calculates it, runs it through their algorithm. If there's a mistake made, it's a mistake with their algorithm or with their software, right? And so it kind of takes a little bit of that burden off you. If you're ever audited, you can say, this is what I used. I did my best job, my best, spent the most amount of money I possibly could to get it done the best that I could find. And this is it for me, guys. I can't find anything better than this. I looked around at a couple different pieces of software. This one syncs directly with my Coinbase account, which makes it really nice because most of my crypto is on Coinbase. I was able to upload my MetaMask wallet. I was able to upload my Trust wallet. And so I have all my different wallets and all my different coins in here. I don't do a whole lot of other exchanges or anything like that. So mine was still pretty simple for this past year. Going into next year, it's going to be a little bit more challenging because I definitely did a few different things, had a few more wallets. But for last year, I was pretty simple. I only had 2 or 3 wallets. And so it was really, really easy, guys. Just upload it, let it sync, and then download that report. You're ready to go to bring it to TurboTax or to your normal tax accountant or whatever you guys are going to do. Again, this is not financial advice or tax advice. Please, seek out a professional, either attorney or, some sort of accountant or some sort of crypto expert if that's what you guys want to do. If you have a large amount of money, definitely spend more money to get things done the right way. For me, I don't mind spending the money. It was about $100 is what I spent, I believe, for the year of this. And it's just going to be a one-time thing for me to figure out my taxes. I'll pay it again next year. That's fine. $100 on the amount of money I gained is not that much. And it's probably a write-off. I don't know for sure, but we'll check with the accountant on that one. So yeah, guys, it also tells you all of your gains and just how you're doing in general, which is kind of nice to be able to see all of your stuff in one place and track it. So there's a bunch of other features with this stuff. If you guys want, you can get into all this and really get in depth with it. It's a really great piece of software. I just wanted to make a lot of people aware because I'm sure I'm not the only one out there right now that's panicking like, crap, 2 days until taxes are due. What am I gonna do? This is what I'm doing. So that's basically it for this one, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. If you still haven't done your taxes and you're still waiting, you may need to file an extension. Otherwise, you can get this done in about 20 minutes. Maybe hop on TurboTax and, if your stuff isn't that complicated, and probably get it done by the deadline. Otherwise, make sure you guys see an accountant. Smash the thumbs up on this video. Please share with any friends or family member who may be looking to kind of figure out how to do their taxes as well. Make sure you guys sub to that channel, bell to be notified. 99 cents gets you early access to most content. Happy crypto. Let's get that coin. Pay your taxes.